Hello everyone. We are going to learn using the verb present, past, perfect and future. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is and we are. They are. And this is past. I was, you were and he was. She was, it was, we were, and they were. And this is perfect, the verb. I have been. And this is you have been. Using the verb perfect, you have been. He has been. And she has been. And it has been. We have been. Using past, using perfect, they have been. And we learn future. I will be. You will be. He will be. Continuous future will be. It will be. We will be. And they will be. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.